Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. As always, your continuous support is highly appreciated. And if you've been returning but haven't subscribed yet, please do consider clicking the subscribe button. It costs absolutely nothing, but it will help my channel to grow. I want to reach 500 subscribers by the end of the year, so I would really appreciate it if you help me reach my goal. And if you are here for the first time, hi, my name is Katleho. Welcome to my channel, welcome to my journey. I hope you stay and enjoy more of my content. Please don't forget to subscribe, to like, and to comment. I really enjoy I really enjoy having a conversation with you guys in the comments section. So today, it's just a continuation of the last video. It's still the same day. I just took off my hoodie. I was really getting hot, and I can't clean with a lot of clothes on unless it's extremely cold, like it was on this day. So yeah, at this point I was just beginning to sweat. I was really hot, so I took my hoodie off, but it's basically still the same day. My hubby had just woken up. I was actually waiting for him to wake up. I didn't want to disturb him because he's been really busy at work, so this long weekend really helped him. It came in real handy for him to just rest, so I didn't want to disturb him. He had just woken up and gone for a shower, so I was just cleaning the bedroom. And after I had okay, there's somebody at the door. I'll be right back. So, as I was saying, my husband went for a shower and then I started cleaning the bedroom. I had a couple of interruptions in between, but each time I had to attend to something, I just put the timer on pause. I was using a timer to clean the bedroom, the bathroom, and the toilet. I set an hour because I had already spent such a lot of time in the kitchen, so I didn't want to spend a lot of time cleaning the rest of the house. So I set a timer to an hour, and it really came in handy because Usually, when I start cleaning, I just go on and on and on. And by the time I'm done, I am so tired, so tired that I just want to jump into bed and sleep. I don't want to watch TV. I don't want to do anything, which is kind of boring because when my husband comes back home, I want to spend time with him, watch TV, have conversations, watch a movie, whatever it is that we end up getting up to. I really want to be present, especially when we're having conversations. I want to be present in the conversation and not be sleepy or anything. So, yeah, I set the timer and I had a few moments to spare in the end. I'll show you guys, but I saw that the camera wasn't really focusing. But yeah, I tried my best to show you, but I did spare a couple of minutes in the end. Unlike the traditional mop and bucket way of mopping the floor, whenever I'm speed cleaning, this spray mop comes in real handy because it's real simple. Just spray and mop until I'm done. And then, yeah, and like I said, I had a couple of minutes to spare. Unfortunately, the camera don't want to focus. I don't know what was wrong with it, but I think I had about 28 minutes to spare, which means from an hour, I only took about 32 minutes to clean, which I'm pretty happy about. I hope this gave you the motivation to clean your space as well. Hope to see you in the next one. Bye.